Understanding Eat Healthy Fats, an English language guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, eat healthy fats. This phrase might sound simple, but it holds significant nutritional advice and showcases some interesting aspects of the English language. Let's dive in and learn together. The phrase, eat healthy fats, is both a suggestion and a nutritional guideline. It consists of three key components. 1. Eat. This verb is an action word implying consumption or intake of food. 2. Healthy. An adjective describing the quality of something, in this case, fats. It implies something beneficial or good for health. 3. Fats. A noun referring to a group of natural oily substances found in food, essential for the human body. Understanding this phrase requires us to look at how these words work together to convey a specific meaning. This section explains the concept of healthy fats. Unlike unhealthy fats, which are bad for health, healthy fats like omega-3s, found in fish, nuts, and seeds, are crucial for overall health. They help in brain function, joint health, and more. This part of the video will include examples of foods rich in healthy fats. Here, we'll explore the grammatical structure of the phrase. Subject, implied, you, is the implied subject, common in commands or suggestions. Verb, eat, a straightforward, action-oriented verb. Object, healthy fats, the direct object, receiving the action of the verb. Understanding this structure helps in comprehending similar phrases in English. We'll illustrate how to use eat healthy fats in everyday conversation. For example, a doctor advising a patient on diet, or a fitness coach guiding someone. This real-life context makes the phrase more relatable and easier to understand. We hope this video has shed light on the phrase, eat healthy fats, and its implications in both language and nutrition. Remember, exploring phrases like this not only expands your English vocabulary but also your understanding of the culture and lifestyle. Stay curious and keep learning. See you in the next video.